It's not news that many children struggle with math. Less than 40% of the nation's fourth graders are considered proficient in math, and the number of children below grade level is growing. The average math score for fourth graders in 2022 was 5 points lower than 2019. MindPlay, which has coached young readers to success for 40 years, now offers parents and teachers an online math learning program that uses the same instructional strategies as the MindPlay reading programs. The program begins by assessing each student's skills. By meeting students where they are, MindPlay provides personalized lessons students complete at their own pace on the path of mastery of core math concepts, essential to navigating the world at large. And MindPlay Math, customized instruction, self-paced, colorful, engaging, and dare we say, fun? It all adds up to student success.